Mazda is launching an SUV assault with the 2023 CX-60, which will be sold in Europe, Japan and other territories. Although it appears to be a familiar model, it is really a brand new vehicle with rear-wheel drive underpinnings known as the Skyactiv Multi-Solution Scalable Architecture. The CX-60 is a two-row mid-size crossover that is somewhat bigger than the CX-50, which was introduced in North America last year. It is built on Mazda's new Skyactiv Multi-Solution Scalable Architecture, which measures 4,745mm long, 1,890mm wide and 1,680mm tall, with a 2,870mm wheelbase. The Mazda CX-60 has a fluidic design with curves and smooth surfaces typically on the Zoom brand. The brand has incorporated the latest developments in Kodo design onto the CX-60. There's a large radiator grille with the vertical slats finished in gloss black and a premium-looking chrome surround. The headlamp cluster is small and houses projector LED units with integrated LED DRLs. There's an air intake below and Fox intake inserts on the inside of the bumper. On the sides, the Mazda CX-60 features round wheel arches, curvy mirrors, a chrome window surround and a rectangular PHEV badge on the side of the front fenders. The roofline smoothly slopes down and finishes on the forward-leaning upper tailgate section at the rear. At the rear, the CX-60 gets wrap-around LED tail lamps, a sharply raked windscreen and quad exhaust tips. It also has a skid plate to make it look muscular. The CX-60's interior more than makes up for the outside. It's similar in theme to the CX-50 with a horizontal layout, slim vents, a large 12.3-inch screen atop the dash and a cool mix of materials. The CX-60's Takumi trim levels add maple wood trim, Napa leather, unique Japanese textiles and intricate layered stitching. It looks truly high-end, which bodies well for Mazda's plan to move further up market. Mazda says the CX-60's large cargo area makes it the most practical car the brand makes. The CX-60 will be offered in Europe with 3 engine options. Let's start with the PHEV powertrain. It combines the company's familiar 2.5-litre i4 gas engine with a 100kW e-motor and a 17.8kW battery, good for a total of 323 horsepower. That Mazda says makes it the most powerful road-going car the company's ever made. And with a 5.8-second sprint to 62 miles per hour, this Mazda won't be a slouch at the stoplight either. Mazda also claims this PHEV can travel 37 miles on pure electric power before its gas engine must fire and work in tandem with the electric motor as a hybrid. Its fuel consumption and emissions figures look impressive too. And in the future, the CX-60 will get a number of additional powertrains including a 3.0-litre eSkyactiv X i6 and a 3.3-litre Skyactiv D diesel, both equipped with 48-volt mild hybrid systems that Mazda calls M Hybrid Boost.